Shut up and sit down.
Hello gang, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. And yes, I've had another parcel. And this is, this is one of them videos where I really want to say what I think, but I can't because I'm conscious of swearing on video. So all I will say is this is a parcel from the Modelmaking Guru himself. And Foxx, I will have my revenge. Yes, you, mister. One, I'm going to tell your mum. And yeah, you're a bar steward. But hey, anyway, I got a parcel that turned up today. A rather squishy, rattly parcel. And as you can see, I've stealthily popped one end open, but as soon as I did, I had a giggle. So I'm going to show you what it is. I'll just get my knife of goodness and just run it along the top now. I'm sure you'll see the giggle when I lift this flappage. That sounded wrong, didn't it? Yeah. He has gone and got me a complete case of chicken and mushroom pot noodles, because in Fox's mind, chicken and mushroom pot noodles are the ultimate and bestest and only pot noodle that one person should have. And we've been having this debate about chicken and mushroom versus beef and tomato for a long time. So to get his point across, because I may have inadvertently blurted out that I'd never had a chicken and mushroom pot noodle, and he then proceeded to tell me off for criticising something that I hadn't had. But yeah, and it wasn't criticising the actual contents, it was just trying to get my own back and disagreeing with him. But to get his point across, the git has sent me a complete case of chicken and mushroom pot noodles. And I can see the fun in that. I mean, that is just a nut, because Cy Reynolds sent Foxx a case of drinks called Pussy, just in case, you know, he fancied a bit of, yeah. So Foxx, you're brilliant, mate. You are a complete and utter nut job, mate. But I am going to sit and I'm going to have 12 chicken and mushroom pot noodles over the next few weeks, and I am sure we'll have this debate for many years to come. Oh, mate, you are mad. But many, many thanks, mate. I get it. I get the gag. And you are a superstar. Yes, folks, this is what we do to each other. We send each other random stuff to get our points across. So 1-0 to Foxx. Festa will get his own back. And yeah, my time will come. It's not going to be straight away, Mr. Guru, but this is 1-0 to you at this stage. I shall have my revenge. Yes, I shall have my revenge. Again, thanks, mate. Muchly appreciated, mate. Thanks for thinking of Festa. And on that note, folks, we'll catch up with you later. I'm going to kill him. I am. I'm going to kill him. He's going to be gloating so much in the next live show we do. Foxx, thank you, mate. Thank you very, very, very much, mate. So the debate continues, folks. Put a comment in the video. Beef and tomato or chicken and mushroom? Thank you very much, Foxx. Catch you later, buddy. Ta-la.